The next time you have a sore throat, try taking some raw honey and actually coating your throat.
So according to Ayurveda, honey is the best kapha dosh reducing food we can have. Now, especially if you mix honey with Trikatu Churna, which is a powder made from 3 herbs, Piper nigrum, which is black pepper, Piper longum, which is long pepper, and dry ginger powder. Mix these 3 herbs with your honey, and it is one of the best home remedies for sore throat, cough, and cold. Also, it works very well for allergic asthma and allergic rhinitis.